Now remember, when we're talking about identifying, eliminate, mitigate, identifying risks, eliminate, mitigate, the team, all these things, remember from side one, those things that can be hazards. We got to remember these things. It's not just going to the job site and looking at our environment and say, oh man, it's wet grass here. Oh wow, there's some rocks over here. We got to be real careful we might trip. Or you're working some of that low country here in South Carolina and maybe there's some gators. You got to identify those gators and water moccasins, things like that. We don't know the traffic, right? Well, those are in your environments. We've always recognized that environment was that which is around you. But the true word of environment means that which encapsulates, that's which surrounds, encompasses, mente, your mind. It never really originally meant the physical environment. It means the environment. So we need to identify these things that's happening between each other. And if there's some issues that are being identified, we got to eliminate, we got to mitigate, we got to substitute. So we need to return, and then that checkbox right here, look at that, return home safely to family team. That's what this is all about. That's what the Energy Wheel Reinvented does.